In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to Microsoft OneNote. To get started, open Microsoft OneNote on your computer. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and sign in with your Microsoft account. This gives you access to your notebooks and lets your notes sync across devices, which is one of the most useful parts of using OneNote. Once you're inside the app, create a new notebook by going to File and then selecting New. At this point, OneNote will ask where you want to save the notebook. A common choice is OneDrive, since saving there makes it easy to access your notes from other computers, tablets, or phones. After choosing the location, give your notebook a clear name and click Create. It's a good idea to use a name that matches the subject or purpose of the notebook so it stays easy to find later. After your notebook is created, the next thing to do is set up a section. Sections help you organize your notes by topic, project, class, or category. Think of a section like a divider in a binder. Keeping things organized from the beginning can save a lot of time as your notebook grows. Now add a new page by clicking Add Page. This creates a fresh note inside your section. At the top of the page, enter a title. A descriptive title helps you recognize the note quickly when you come back to it later. Once the title is in place, click anywhere on the page and start typing your notes. OneNote gives you a flexible page layout so you can click in different areas and build notes in a way that works for you. If you want to include more than just text, use the Insert tab. From there, you can add pictures, files, links, tables, and other content to make your notes more complete and useful. This is especially helpful if you're collecting research, organizing meeting notes, or building study materials. As you continue working, create additional sections and pages to keep everything structured. For example, you might use one section for general notes, another for planning, and another for reference material. The more clearly you organize your notebook, the easier it will be to navigate later. One final thing to know is that OneNote automatically saves and syncs your work. That means you usually don't need to click Save manually. Your notes are updated in the background, which makes the whole process smoother and helps protect your work as you go. That's how to get started with Microsoft OneNote and create an organized notebook for your notes.